Greenland, the land of ice and snow. In this chapter, we will learn about the countries we will study about, the location of Greenland, climate, vegetation, animal life, life of the people, and do MCQs. Fill in the blanks, true or false, WH questions. Do an activity, map work. The Arctic Ocean is near the North Pole. It is surrounded by North America, Europe, and Asia. The continent of Antarctica is near the South Pole. This is the coldest region and the human beings cannot live comfortably in the polar regions. This area remains covered with ice and snow throughout the year. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is situated in the North Polar region. Location: Greenland is to the northeast of North America. Baffin Bay and Davis Strait separate it from the northern islands of Canada. The nearest European country to Greenland is Iceland. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Its capital is Nuuk, Gotthab. The total area of Greenland is about 22 lakh square kilometers. About 80% of the area is covered by ice and snow. The southwestern coast, where most of the people live, is the warmest part of Greenland. Sometimes large chunks or sheets of ice get separated and fall down into the sea. This floating mass of ice in the sea is called an iceberg. Icebergs are very dangerous for the ships. The International Ice Patrol keeps a watch for icebergs. Climate: The climate is very cold in Greenland throughout the year. Winter lasts about 9 months. Chilly winds blow during this season. The sun is not visible for many weeks. There is heavy snowfall and the temperature is generally below freezing point, 0 degrees Celsius. During summer, there is bright sunshine for many weeks. The sun never sets. This area is called the land of midnight sun. The weather remains bright and sunny. The rainfall is very less. The temperature is near the freezing point, 0 degrees Celsius. Vegetation: Owing to extreme cold, plants do not grow. Only plants like mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes grow here. There are no forests. Animal life: Only those animals that can adapt themselves to the extreme cold live here. The reindeer, polar bear, Arctic fox, musk ox, seal, and huskies are found in Greenland. Several varieties of fish and seabirds also live there. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. They are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. A sledge is called an ice boat. It has no wheels. Reindeer and seal are the most useful animals. Life of the people: The population of Greenland is about 75,000. About 80% of them are Eskimos, also called Inuits. Others are mostly Europeans. The Eskimos migrated to Greenland from North America about 100 years ago. Eskimos are short and stout. They have yellowish skin, high cheekbones, and narrow eyes. They lead a very hard life. They hunt seals, walruses, whales, and polar bears. In the past, they used bows and harpoons to hunt. A harpoon is a long spear with a rope attached to it. They make a round hole on top of a frozen river or the edge of the sea. They wait for the fish, seal, etc. to come up to breathe. Then they pierce the animals with the harpoon. Nowadays they use rifles for hunting. Boats called kayaks are used for hunting sea animals. These boats are made of seal skin. For hunting whales, a large boat called umiak is used. The fat or blubber of seals and whales is used as fuel. It is burned to give heat and light. Fishing has become a major industry. Most of the fish caught is exported after processing. The seal and reindeer are very useful. They provide meat and their skins are used for making clothes, boats, and tents. The people wear clothes made from seal, walrus, and reindeer skin. Waterproof shoes are made of seal skin, sewn with reindeer thread. Jackets with hoods lined with fur are worn by men, women, and children. Such a jacket is called a parka. Eskimos call their houses igloos. Igloos are built of ice, wood, stone, or animal skin. In winter, they use thick blocks of ice to make igloos. They can build their houses in 2 or 3 hours. In summer, they live in skin tent called taupigs. In winter, they use a sledge for transport. It is pulled by reindeer or a team of huskies. Modern times in Greenland. The life of Eskimos changed in recent times. Eskimos today use motorized sledges called skidos for transport. They use motorboats for fishing. They use rifles for hunting. They use radios and televisions. Many people are now working in mines and oil fields. Education has changed their lifestyle. There are pakka houses in the villages and towns. Some towns are connected by airways with the cities in Europe and North America. Did you know the word Eskimo means eater of the raw flesh? New words. Iceberg. Huge mass of ice floating in the sea. Parka. Jacket with a hood to cover the head. Taupig. Tent made of animal skin. Umaak. Boat that can carry many people. Blubber. Fat of animals like whale, seal, etc. Harpoon. A spear with a long rope attached to it. Recap. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Its capital is Nuuk, Gotthab. The polar regions remain under ice and snow throughout the year and are not suitable for human settlements. The climate is very cold throughout the year and the temperature remains below the freezing point. The animals like reindeer, polar bears, musk oxen, huskies, etc. live in Greenland. The Eskimos are the original inhabitants and they are skilled hunters and fishermen. Now the lifestyle of Eskimos is fast changing and they are adopting European style in clothing and occupation.